Today we're diving into a topic that's the backbone of enduring organizations, and that's resilient teams. And guess what? We'll be taking a quick neuroscience detour to better understand the essence of resilience. Let's start with a fundamental question then. What is resilience? Well, at its core, resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, adapt to change, and keep going in the face of adversity. Now, where does neuroscience come into play? Well, the brain, or the human brain, is an incredible organ that's constantly evolving. Its plasticity allows it to adapt and change based on experiences, which means, yes, resilience can be cultivated and strengthened. Here are some neuroscience-backed strategies to foster resilience in your teams. Number one, cultivate a growth mindset. Dr. Carol Dweck's research emphasizes the power of belief. Teams that believe they can grow and develop are more resilient because they see challenges as opportunities to learn. Neurologically, this mindset strengthens the brain's neural pathways, promoting adaptability. Number two, embrace stress in moderation. It might sound counterintuitive, but stress can actually be a good thing. Neuroscientists have found that manageable levels of stress can enhance brain function and strengthen resilience. It's like having a muscle workout. A little resilience makes it stronger. But remember, prolonged stress is not good for you. It can actually kill brain cells. Number three, foster social connections. Social bonds release oxytocin, a neurochemical that counters the effects of cortisol, the stress hormone. By fostering a team environment where members connect, support, and collaborate, you're literally creating a neurochemical safety net. Number four, encourage mindful practice. Mindfulness and meditation not only reduce stress, but also increase grey matter density in brain regions linked to learning, memory, and emotional regulation. By promoting mindfulness, you're giving your team tools to navigate the challenges ahead calmly and thoughtfully. Number five, ensure continuous learning. Emphasize the importance of continuous learning. When we learn, our brain forms new synaptic connections, enhancing its resilience. Plus, equipped with more knowledge and skills, teams can tackle challenges more effectively. Number six, celebrate small wins. Let's talk about dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter or neuromodulator. Dopamine is released when we achieve or celebrate. Recognizing and celebrating small victories can boost team morale, motivation, and yes, resilience. So in conclusion, helping and supporting your team to develop resilience is essential to manage and navigate the uncertainty of the business world that we operate and work in today. However, as a leader, it's important that you develop levels of resilience for yourself too. Remember, lead by example. Let's build teams that not only bounce back, but leap forward.